What's up, YouTube, man? I'm back with another video. I got a package in the mail today.
You've got mail.
And it's my G-Force transmission mount. I'm gonna unbox it today and show y'all what's going on. Show y'all with a part number and everything. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna open it to show y'all what part number and everything it is. Part number is see if y'all, the camera are focusing on it. RFCF2L4L80. Okay, let's get it open.
Motion detected in the front yard.
Let's get it open, y'all. Here it is. There you go, y'all. G-Force transmission mount. Now we just got to put it on there. I think we got some stickers right here. Let me see how I can get up in there. G-Force stickers up in there. Southside Machine G-Force. G-Force Performance. I'm gonna put these on my toolbox. And backed by popular demand. Driving Force, what's yours? Finish line is ours. That's that motherfucker nice, man. Alright, what else we got? We got something else. Don't tell me I ripped it. Oh, there we go. Got two of these G-Force. So, I think that's it. And that's it, y'all. All we gotta do is put it in now. Appreciate y'all watching. Y'all check that video out on the install.